So, good morning once more, CNF. With Abu now. Abu is heading back. We are at the Amansie, Enugu Onitsha, Enugu Expressway. Basically, down there is a sign that says "Slow down, men at work." Abu, you saw that sign. And by that sign, what it actually means that we should see men at work. But you can see, look back, you see no one. If we turn the other way around, basically some malus or some cows using the other lane, which obviously has no equipment, nothing. So Abu, what do you have to say? Just you're laughing now.
Probably the delay of the budget affected the situation.
Vintage Abu is shifting the blame to budget, isn't it, Abu?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the budget is the reason why.
Budget delay may likely be the cause of this.
Okay. So you want to rope Saraki into this road?
No. Yeah, his hands are not clean.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you guys can see now on Enugu Onitsha Expressway. If I actually turn this way, you can see the road. This is the old, this is the old section that is in use. This section is actually really, really bad as well. I mean, we've driven on it, so this is no longer about only Maazi doing a video. So I want us to look at the back. You see a very, very bad section on this road as well. I mean, so far we've come this far. What is really apart from the budget?
Yes,
what is your impression?
But you can see that they have done the drainages.
Okay, hold on. So Abu,
they have done the drainages.
Yes, this is Abu said we must commend them for doing the drainage.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
You can see that the other side.
There is no remedy in sight. Abu is actually saying they have done the.
They are waiting for the approval of the money, probably.
You see, the way you guys defend, Jesus Christ, the way you guys defend injustice.
But to be sincere, there's no equipment here.
Okay.
For now.
Oh, why did you add for now? There is no equipment, full stop.
Yes,
there
for
is
now.
No equipment.
We are expecting that in the next few days.
Okay, guys, I need to just do a short one.
We are
going to bring you more videos. Okay, thanks.